The next part of layer by layer is solving the first layer's corners, and it looks like this. So for all 4 of these corners, they're going to be inserted with the same 4-move sequence that goes like this. So what you want to do is find one corner that has white on it. For example, we'll use this red, blue, and white one. And you want to put it between all 3 of those colors centers. So blue, red, white, blue, red, white. So you want to put it there, like under it. And now you use that 4-move sequence until it goes into this spot. It can take up to 8 times to do that. We'll go with this one next. Orange, green, and white. Orange, green, white. So you put it under there, and we can do the sequence. That's corner 2. This next one, green, red, white, it's already under there. It's already here. And the last one, now if you end up with a case where it's in the wrong spot, but it's already up here, you can do the sequence once to get it out of there, and it brings it to the bottom layer, and then you can bring it under to the right spot.